each whiff. Welcome back to Saving Mamacita. Welcome, you guys. Welcome back. If you're brand new, I welcome you. This is a place where we do a lot of different monthly subscription box unboxings, product hauls, try-ons, those types of lifestyle videos. We do those right here. So this particular video is an unboxing. It is a monthly subscription box for candle lovers. So if you are into candles, if you love trying new scents, this box has sparked your curiosity, hasn't it? This one is called Vellabox. Go to their website, it's vellabox.com. And when you set up your account, you are able to decide a few different things. So first of all, is it for you or is it for a gift? So choose your preference there. And then they're going to curate your candle each month based on the seasonal relevance and your personal preferences. And you can change them at any time. You can select a minimum of 3 different scents. So they have a sweet and spice, herbal, fresh, citrus, floral, woodsy, or you can have them surprise you. If you're into candles, you love trying different scents, and you love trying different branded scents, this is a box that you would probably really, really enjoy. And they offer free shipping in the United States as well. So bonus there. So we are gonna go ahead and do our candle box unboxing, and then we will go ahead and give Vellabox their rating. You guys ready? This is the Vellabox December box, and I'm super excited to check it out. It always comes in a cute little brown box. My other boxes have been bigger boxes, but this is a smaller one. So I'm super excited to see what they put in here for me. I prefer like the sweeter scents, citrus scents. I do like fresh scents. I'm not real big on floral scents unless there is that hint of sweetness to it, if you know what I mean. Okay, so opening up the box, this looks like this. Isn't that cute? Packaged so nicely. It says home, the story of who we are and a collection of all we love. Such a cute little cozy picture there. And look at that. Look how cute it is boxed and packaged. All right, so opening it up, it looks like this one has a little postcard inside. And on the postcard, it says what is inside the box. And on the other side, it says it's featuring 2 different brands in here, Earthside Candle Company and Ilera, I-L-E-R-A, Apothecary. The Earthside brand is located in Belmont, California, and the Ilera Apothecary is located in Detroit, Michigan. Here's what it looks like. It's in this cute little cinch sack. And then we also have a little item here from the Ilera Apothecary. Let's do this one first. This is a moisturizing body butter. Thicker than a lotion, this body butter goes a long way. Ooh, I love body butter. It's powerful enough to use on eczema and gentle enough to use on babies. It's multifunctional and can be used to moisturize your skin, hair, lips, or even relieve a sunburn. Inspired by the warm forest of Madagascar, Nostalgia features royal oils including sandalwood, patchouli, and vanilla. So this is actually a bonus gift that they throw in. And every once in a while, I think every box that I've received, actually, they have put in a bonus gift. So, smells pretty good. Here's what it looks like. It's just a little sample size type container, but very cute. And it smells really good. So here's what it looks like. Rub it on. It's very thick. It's got that body butter texture to it. You can definitely smell the patchouli. Yeah, it's good. It's not so strong. That's why I keep smelling it like this, because It is a very, very delicate scent. All right, now the candle unboxing. Here we go. This bag is so adorable, isn't it? I love it. It's a linen bag. You can reuse it. I love that about this company. This candle is called Frosted Juniper. Frosted Juniper is for fans of herbal. Juniper, sage, ozone, pine, cherry, and red currant, berry, and pear. So it's got those fruity scents in there. It says, this enchanting winter blend mixes herbal notes of juniper and sage with fresh evergreens and fruits, topped off with a frosty finish. So definitely different options for the holiday season. So I like that they do create scents for the season and send them out based on your preference. So there are 2 other scents on here that I could have received. One is called Mistletoe, which is for fans of woodsy and fresh. And then Wassail for fans of spice and citrus. So that one might be kind of good too, if you're interested in those. And you can go on their website and order extra candles if you want, because they do have availability on there as well. So let's go ahead and open this one up. So it comes in this simple but cute. I do like the way that they package them. It's very minimalist, but it is kind of like classy, you know what I mean? And then it looks like this. So you're gonna get a lot of hours out of this candle. Definitely smells like the holiday season. I like that. That is really good. It's not too strong. I don't like really strong, overpowering scents either. So this one is definitely one I'm going to use. Every time I smell it, I get a different hint of a different note, which is kind of funny. So it comes in the cinch bag, and then they threw in the bonus gift of the body butter, which was a nice touch. Perfect for winter time around here. I love to use the deep moisturizers for my skin, especially this time of year. So
a few moments later.
So let's go ahead, you guys, and give Vellabox a rating. Are you ready? Let's go ahead and rate that box. Rate that box. Rate that box. Rate that box. There's just something so simple yet classy about Vellabox. And I love the fact that they start out their subscriptions at just $10 a month, and they offer free shipping. Super affordable. What a great way for a candle scent lover to be introduced to new scents on a monthly basis. I love that. And as you can see with this particular candle, it's gonna last for hours. And I love that. And I love the fact that it's natural ingredients as well. So Vellabox is legit in that sense. So when we rate the box, you guys, we rate on a few different factors. We rate based on the presentation, the description, the way that it is presented in the box. I love to see the value of the items in the box as well, and the variety of the items, and just the overall unboxing experience. So Vellabox does an excellent job of packaging. I love the way that I felt when I opened the box. It just gave me a warm, cozy feeling when I opened that box. The bag is simple yet classy. The packaging of the actual candle is simple yet classy. The price point is legit. It's not overly expensive. And if you go on the website, vellabox.com, you will see how easy it is to maneuver through the website, and you will see that it also has that warm, cozy, simplistic vibe to it as well. Let's go ahead. Drum roll, please. Vellabox. 8. Awesome job, Vellabox. You get an 8. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did. Be sure to check the description area. I will leave this information in there for you, the candle scent, as well as where you can find Vellabox for yourself. And yeah, if you liked the video, hit that like button, smash it. Subscribe button, just smash it. and the notification bell. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope